the country. And we have Damian Evans on sign language tonight. We start off with this controversial story. Televangelist Bishop Gilbert Deya is now a free man after he was acquitted of 5 charges of child theft case. Now, Milimani Senior Principal Magistrate Robinson Ondieki ruled that the prosecution failed to establish a case against Deya, who was not found in custody of the 5 children he is alleged to have stolen. Now, Deya now says he will go back to the UK to concentrate on Gilbert Deya Ministries, which he was leading before he was extradited back to Kenya in 2017 over the child theft case. Now, our senior reporter Rita Tinina with the latest on the case that has dragged on in the court system for nearly 2 decades.
Close to 6 years after he was first arraigned in court in Kenya, Gilbert Deya of the Miracle Baby saga is a free man.
And I acquit the accused person on all the counts under Section 215 of the CBC and the setting free unless otherwise held back.
Deya was charged with 5 counts of stealing 5 children, all aged under 14 years, in Mountain View Estate in Nairobi between May 2002 and August 2004. In one count, he was said to have stolen a child aged 14 years and renamed him Elijah Opio Deya. Senior Principal Magistrate Robinson Ondieki ruled that the prosecution failed to prove its case against Deya. According to the senior principal magistrate, Deya was not found in custody of the 5 children and was in the UK when the crimes are said to have occurred.
Ultimately, make a finding that the prosecution has not proved their case in all the counts beyond reasonable doubt.
Who have seen this in the world?
The preacher of the Gilbert Deya Ministries, which operated in the UK, claimed to miraculously enable infertile women to conceive. The women would then travel to Kenya to give birth. Deya's wars began in the year 2004 when the miraculous baby saga was first highlighted.
Is the baby kicking?
Yes, sir, Bishop, it is.
He was arrested in London but challenged his extradition to Kenya for over a decade on grounds that he would face torture in Kenya. He was extradited to Kenya in August 2017 and presented before court.
And I'm grateful I'm free, and I'm now going to continue to proceed to the mission that Jesus gave to me on earth.
He has no squabbles with anybody. In fact, from what he has shared with me, he has forgiven his perpetrators.
The prosecution had argued that the miracle babies were stolen from poor neighborhoods and hospitals such as Pumwani Maternity Hospital and had no genetic connection to the Deya family or their alleged mothers. His wife, Mary Juma, was in 2004 charged with 5 counts of child trafficking and 5 of registration by false pretenses. She was acquitted in December 2011.
Surely it has damaged the name of my reputation. I'm the first preacher on television here in Kenya, KBC.
The 86-year-old, who was out on a 10 million shilling security, says he will go back to the UK to concentrate on the Gilbert Deya Ministries. Rita Tinina, KTN News.
Now, the High Court